Sir, good morning. Si Jasmine Bonifacio sa Eastern Visayas News. Before dun sa rally, sir, sana kahapon, may application po ba ng permit from the city government?
I suppose, meron yan, pero I think it was denied or they did not acknowledge it.
Mayor, good morning everyone. My name is Christian. I am the Regional Secretariat of CAPS Coalition in Eastern Visayas. As far as the application, actually, we went through a multiple application. Just to give you a background on the planning, initially this was planned way back May 11 in Palo, Leyte. But unfortunately, for some reason, meron daw kasabay na event. So, nag-apply ulit kami since may event nga nakasabay. Same location, May 20. Reason naman noon is the vicinity, the facility is being prepared for an upcoming event for June. So take note that June pa yung event, pero ang aming request is May 20. And then, this is a long overdue activity event na rally na gusto namin ipahiyan. So, nag-resort kami sa paggamit ng Freedom Park kasi ang Freedom Park is no need necessary permit. So, we submitted this notice, it's not a permit kasi papalam lang namin. Sa city government, I think May 14. No, walang sagot, walang kahit ano. Nag-assume kami na wala namang sila magagawa, walang yes or no dito. Papatuloy kami nagpapatuloy. Unfortunately, 2 days before, nakita namin dahan-dahan nagkakaroon ng parking area ang RTR Park. Pumasok ang mga bulldozer, kung ano-ano. I would like to reiterate na hindi namin kinancel ang Naisog Rally because of that incident. Patuloy po kami. Na-cancel ang rally because of the bad weather. Kasi marami pong delegates ang pupunta sana, pero consider ng grupo ang kaligtasan, safety ng everyone. So, we decided, we opted to cancel the event, pero hindi po dahil sa ginawa nilang hakbang. Definitely ang Naisog Rally, ang prayer rally, will still push through. We're just trying to get the exact date at i-announce po namin yung kapag meron na kami.
Sir,